Guys, Atomic here. So right now, this is during Hurricane Harvey. Yeah. It's a very sad, gloomy weather. So I just wanted to make a video. Anyone who is in this right now, I'm hoping y'all are okay. My cat came out here last night. I haven't seen her. I'm actually quite sad. But it's okay. She is a survivor. Also, how much rain is that? Wow. Wow. Rain. Ugh. Derp. So, seriously though, anyone who is out here, I'm hoping y'all are okay. Please comment down below. Pray for Galaxy. That's her name. It's my worm's name. No crying. You're supposed to be an example. No crying. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Ow. Ow, my cheek. Worm! Worm! Whoa. This isn't... Today's weather forecast. 100% chance of rain and 100% chance of we're all gonna die. I want to run in the rain. I don't want to die. Jesus. So guys, as always, I will see you cool cats in the next one. Bye-bye.